Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sharko from Zig and Sharko. So let's get started. To draw this cute great white shark, let's start by drawing his eyes. So we're going to draw two ovals at a slight slant. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm just going to draw two small ovals and they're going to be connected together. So notice it's just at a slight slant. Then right next to it, just draw another one. There, and then I'm going to come inside towards the center more, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in an oval inside, or a circle right there, two of them. And then now let's go above this these ovals, and I'm going to start at the center right here, and I'm going to draw a curve over the ovals. And then at the bottom as well, but the bottom is going to be much closer. And here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's go ahead and draw the cheeks. So right next to the eye, I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to draw a big curve right here, close to the eye, and then come around for a big cheek right there, right next to the eyes. Then from there, about in this area, I'm going to come about right here, just so I know what I'm working with. I'll come right here and draw a little line, a little curve. Then I'm going to come to the top right here over these eyes, and I'll just say about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve over. And so we're trying to start to draw the top of Sharko's head, and I'm going to bring this down. So that's why I'm kind of drawing this line. It just kind of gives me an idea where I'm going to start to draw the snout of this shark. So it's just going to continue out on both sides. I'm going to go back and forth. So about right here, I'm going to curve in a little bit. And let's bring this down. So it's going to get slightly wider right there. And then let's go out and continue. So back and forth. So let's work on this side first. So now that we have this curve in, I'm going to, let's bring this out nice and long. Take a look. So say about right here, go ahead and round it off, drawing this kind of like a nose, right? And then let's continue and bring that curve down and connect. So it's going to be a lot deeper about right here, and then go up. There, so you've created this nose for Sharko here, and then from there let's continue. Let's come back actually to this mouth right here, and about in this area I'm going to start to come down with a curve. So creating this mouth in this area, so that kind of determines where everything goes. So now that I know that I have this angle, I'm going to come up. I'll make this a little bit rounder. So always come back and make some adjustments, because it is a pretty tricky shape that we have to draw. So come down about right here, above, and we're going to go out. There. So I just want to create this little head. So I'll make this a little bit sharper. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw this mouth so that we can figure out where everything else goes. So let's see here. Actually, you know what? I think I made that a little too wide. So let's bring this in. So I'm going to bring this in about right here. And then about in this area, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So I'm going to turn right here. I'm going to create this angle. It's two angles, and I'm going to connect. Nice, big, wide smile. So about right here. Connected with a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can come right here, come out a little bit, so in about this area, and this is where we're going to draw an angle line. So let's go back and forth. So now we know this is the other side of the body. Let's come back over here. So we've created this shape right here, this body. Then let's use this as our other curve to start to draw the hand. So let's come out right here to about right here. I'm going to stop where the mouth is, and in this area I'm going to draw the hands. So come out for the fin, and about right here I'm going to draw the other side of the fin, and let's bring this down. So kind of know where this is going, so about right here. Let's just go ahead and finish this and connect. So it's a little bit straight, but a slight curve right here. And this is going to determine where this goes. I'm going to get really close to this. So let's bring this curve in. And this is going to determine this side right there. And then this is just going to continue. So we're going to get really thin as we come down. There, so we created this shape right here. So then let's come back right here, and I'm going to thicken up this fin. So I'm going to draw a curve and then just taper it in there. So let's finish off the leg. So let's bring this down a little bit more. Here and here, we get thinner. And then let's say about right here, I'll bring this in, curve it right in here, and bring this down more. And this is where I'm going to draw the leg. So I'm going to curve, curve, and then right here I'm going to pop out a little foot and just connect it with a straight line. And then let's draw the other foot. So right here, just curve as well, and then come out right here and do the same thing and connect there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw the back fin. So let's say about right here in this area, I'll pop out a curve, bring it down, round off the tip, and then just tuck it right back in for the back. And then for the other hand, so let's say about right here is where it starts. So come about right here, come out with a little line, nice and thick. So say about right here, about the same thickness. And then about right here, I'm going to go up a slight angle, come down, round off the tip, down, and connect. And then once again, let's come right here, lightly, just follow the outside. So now that we're done with the main shapes, let's come in here and put in all the details. So the first one would be about right here. Just going to connect about right here to the leg. And then let's see, about right here, we're going to draw two ovals right in this area. So let's say about right here. And then another one right here. So just coming down, following this curve. And I'll just go ahead and shade this in. And then we're going to draw a line that goes through it. So let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it first. So I make sure it's connected, come through. And about right here, it's going to pop out and come through about right here. And we're going to bring it all the way back to about right there. So it gets thinner and thinner as we go out. There. Make this a little bit sharper. So definitely go back. If you're using a pencil, make some adjustments. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's see, the mouth, right? So this is the fun part. Let's add in some teeth. So I'll come about right here. I'll add 4, 2, 3, and 4. And then same thing here at the bottom. A little bit closer. And one more. And then let's add in a big tongue. So about right here, I'll just pop in a curve. And another curve. And then right here, we'll just add a big curve towards the back. So this part is nice and dark, and then gets a little bit more brownish red on this section right there. And that is pretty much it for my version of Sharko here. This cute great white shark from Zig and Sharko. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.